Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Home. I'm Alice.
And I'm John. Hey everyone, we're so happy you're listening today.
Today, we're talking about something you do every day, your daily routine, and how to describe it clearly in English.
Yes, so many learners tell us they know what they do, but when they try to explain it in English, the words just disappear.
Exactly. That's why we'll show you simple, natural ways to talk about your whole day, morning, afternoon, evening, without overthinking.
Right, Alice. For example, what's the first thing you usually do when you wake up?
How about John? I usually check my phone first, and sometimes I forget breakfast completely.
Same here. And the great thing is, there are easy ways to say this in English. Like, I start my day by checking my phone. Or, I usually eat breakfast after I wake up. Simple, right?
Yes, and we'll give you phrases like that for your entire routine. Getting ready, going to work or school, and relaxing at night. You'll also learn how to sound natural, not just like a textbook.
Even if your day feels ordinary, we'll show you how to make it interesting and clear in English, so listeners can relate and learn at the same time.
So let's dive in, John. I'm excited to help our listeners turn their everyday life into smooth, confident English sentences.
Me too. And we'll keep it easy, practical, and something you can actually use today.
All right, John, let's start with the morning. How do you usually describe your morning routine in English?
Alice, I might say, I wake up at 7 a.m., make breakfast, and drink coffee. Simple verbs and time expressions make it easy.
Exactly. And adding little details makes it lively. Like, I made scrambled eggs and toasted bread while listening to my favorite song.
And don't forget feelings. I felt sleepy, but happy after my coffee. Even short sentences add personality.
Another tip is sequencing words naturally. First, then, after that, finally. For example, first I woke up, then I brushed my teeth, after that I had breakfast, and finally I left for work.
Yes, and reactions make it fun. I was shocked when my toast burned.
Also, learners can write short sentences each morning and read them aloud. It's perfect daily practice.
And remember, Alice, confidence matters more than perfect grammar. Natural flow wins every time.
Absolutely. And using small, simple words like start, eat, go, finish keeps English clear and easy to understand.
Alice, what about the afternoon and evening? Some learners struggle to describe work, school, or hobbies.
True. Start simple. I worked on a project or I studied English for an hour. Then add details like I studied English for an hour using a fun podcast.
Exactly, and sequencing is key. After work, I cooked dinner, then I watched a TV show.
Adding feelings makes it more interesting. I enjoyed cooking because I tried a new recipe or I felt relaxed watching my favorite show.
Linking words like after, then, finally, later make your sentences flow naturally. Native speakers use them all the time.
And don't forget hobbies or special moments, even small ones, like I watered my plants or I chatted with a friend online.
Exactly, and simple sentences are better than complicated ones. Your goal is confidence, not perfection.
Right. Regular daily practice will help your English sound smooth and natural. Alice, how can learners use these phrases in real conversations?
Start small. Ask friends, classmates, or even family. How was your morning? Then describe yours.
Yes. And if you're shy, practice alone first. Record yourself talking about your day, then listen and improve.
Watching shows with subtitles also helps. Listen first with subtitles, then try without them. You'll notice how native speakers describe their daily routines.
Humor works wonders too. Share funny moments like, I spilled my coffee all over my desk. What a mess.
Or achievements. I finally finished my homework early today. Relatable details make your English more natural.
Even short conversations count. Chatting with neighbors, sending texts, or speaking online. Every little practice adds up.
And don't worry about mistakes. The more you practice, the smoother your English becomes.
All right, friends, Alice here. Describing your day in English can be simple, playful, and full of personality.
John here. Remember to use simple verbs, time expressions, linking words, and sprinkle in little emotions or reactions.
Sequence your day. Morning, afternoon, evening, even tiny details matter.
Practice out loud, record yourself, or chat with friends. Confidence grows with each attempt.
Vocabulary time. Quick words from today. Routine. The usual things you do each day. Example. My morning routine includes coffee and reading.
Sequence, the order of events. Example, first I woke up, then I had breakfast, finally I went to work.
Describe. To explain or tell about something. Example, I can describe my day in English now.
Hobby, and activity you enjoy in your free time. Example, my hobby is painting in the evening.
Now, we want to hear from you. How would you describe your day in English? Comment below and inspire our community.
Thanks for joining us on English Home. Keep practicing, stay playful, and enjoy speaking English naturally.
See you next time. Happy storytelling.
Bye for now.